Good morning, Meridian. Welcome to Business Buzz. Today we're visiting with Kim Bird and Nicole Laca with Momentum Loans. Good morning. Welcome to Business Buzz.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
Hey, thank you, ladies, for joining us. So, ladies, tell us a little bit about Momentum Loans and who is it you serve in our community.
Momentum Loans, we are a mortgage lender. We have the privilege of being the first mortgage branch outside of the state of Utah, which is really exciting for us. We're a smaller boutique lender, which we love because it gives us the opportunity to really focus on each individual instead of pushing people off to higher ups and underwriters and things like that. So we love it. We were approached by them. We made a very clear choice to go with a small boutique company.
Okay. So home loans, there's a lot of myths out there and things currently about home loans. What advice and what can you help a first-time home buyer in our current housing market? How can they best get a loan, and how can Momentum help them?
For me, I think that for us, especially, we think that they need to at least know that there's a chance to get a loan. A lot of people don't think they can, so they don't even try. And the first step would be reaching out to us and meeting with us. And if anybody's going to be able to figure out the 50 years experience that we have together, we can pretty much get any first-time home buyer into a home, or at least get them on the path to be able to do so. If it's immediately or a few months or 6 months, we get them on the right path so they know where to go and how we can get them into a home.
Yeah, and I think you said it best when you talk about dispelling myths.
Yeah.
I think so many people are scared and indoctrinated in believing they can't purchase a home right now because of rates and different things, and that's just not the case, and we can help with that.
Okay. Ladies, what sets Momentum Loans apart from other mortgage companies in the current climate today?
I think our work ethic and the team that Kim and I have created. Kim has been in the industry for over 30 years. I've been in for over 25. So between the two of us, we have a ton of knowledge. We genuinely care about people, and I don't know that that's the case. I think a lot of people care about their paycheck, and we genuinely care about the relationships and the people that we feel like we're customer service, not sales. And I think that's what sets us apart.
For sure. And then the backing that we have with our corporate office and the owner of our company, the two owners of our company, we have an excellent relationship with. We can get on the phone with them, talk things through, and make things make sense for our clients. And we get to do that
Frequently.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, I know both of you are involved in our community. You have been for quite some time, and both of you in different ways. Tell us some of the things that you're passionate about and how you get involved.
So we do a lot of philanthropic work with veterans. My son is actually Army ROTC. We also do first responders. Kim's son-in-law is a fireman. Those are things that are very close and near to us. We do VA real estate professionals. We love the VA, chamber, things like that. And then we've had a great opportunity to be part of the Meridian Chamber, and we have really enjoyed that as well with the women's leadership and things like that.
Okay. And Kim, other things that you're passionate about?
I think pretty much what Nicole's saying. Like we do, I love being able to get out in the community, helping veterans with their home needs and their yard service needs, and just being there. I think veterans love the one-on-one experience that we get to have just visiting with them, on top of the ability to help them with their home needs. I think, what else do we do? Putting different people together, puzzle piecing, and with our networking and all the people that we've been able to meet, we're able to help people in the community, not just with needs, but with business needs. All these new businesses and people coming here from other states, being able to introduce them to other people has just been a really cool thing that we've been able to do. And the chamber has been really, really helpful with all of that and teaching us that way of helping people.
Yeah, we're good at connecting people, whether it's beneficial to us or not. Again, we're about relationships. So.
Well, ladies, with over 50 years experience in the mortgage loan industry, what do you see on the horizon in the next couple of years? Do you see the climate changing as far as home loans and our local market?
I think we all know that rates are a concern. We spend a lot of our day problem solving, and Kim said finding the correct puzzle piece for people to find a way to get rates down so people have reasonable house payments. So we see through all the forecasting and the information that we read constantly that rates are going to come back down. We do see the housing market will continue to strengthen. So what we tell people, and which a lot of people say, is if you love the house, buy the house. You're not stuck with the rate for the rest of your life. But it's a good time to buy a house. We actually see homes, once again, under 400,000. We haven't seen that in probably 3 to 4 years. So the homes are a little more affordable right now. The interest rates, we can work on that for you. And then, you know, you do have the opportunity to refinance. And Kim has, you know, had a great idea on that. So we've instituted that with how we move forward refinancing people.
And the other part about what we see, or after this many years of experience, is that people are always going to be wanting to buy homes. That's not going to stop. It's just, what does that look like? And that's where we're able to help people. You might not get your dream home today, but you get into a home and start building equity. Equity will always happen. This is something, after all these years of experience, people will always buy homes, and you will get equity in your homes. And for us, I think what sets us apart also is that we don't focus on the negative and all what we hear, because that's just basically hearsay. It's not all factual. We focus on what we can do and not what we can't do.
Okay. Well, ladies, what is the best way for our viewers to get in touch with you at Momentum Loans?
So we actually created a team over the last year. And so everything we do now is together. We share everything. I like to tease Kim that she thought her kids were raised, and now we have one more in college. That's how much of a team we are now. So the best way you can reach us is we have a joint email called IDAHome, or ILT, actually. I think we shortened it. ILT at momentumloans.com. But that stands for IDAHome Lending Team. So we created a team called IDAHome Lending Team. Or you can contact us and you can give us a call. My phone number is 208-863-5726.
And mine is 208-794-4249.
Yep, pretty easy.
Well, ladies, thank you so much for joining us today on Business Buzz. We really do appreciate you taking the time for us to learn a little bit more about Momentum Loans and those that you serve in our area.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So thank you for joining us today on Business Buzz. Coming up September 20th, our Emerging Leaders event is scheduled. This is a Level Up Your Leadership. It's a great panel discussion on how to get yourself prepared to serve on a nonprofit board as a board member. We've got a great group of panelists to share you their insight and experience and how to level up your leadership. Also coming up, don't miss our Innovation Forum scheduled for Monday, September 25th. We've got a great lineup of speakers. We've got the Director of Technology from Microsoft that will be there. We've got Neil Sahota, one of the inventors of IBM's artificial intelligence, that will be there talking about innovative technologies and emerging technologies to make life easier for you in the business world. So be sure and join us for both of those events coming up in September. Until then, Meridian, have a great weekend.